Hey guys, welcome back to our channel and thank you guys so much for following us on TullyVision, your favorite YouTube family to watch. Today we will be bringing you guys a DIY geometrical triangle shape wall. So let's get started. So the first thing that we wanted to do was get this basic coat color that we want on the wall. If you guys have a basic coat color, you guys can just start from that, but we wanted to get this old tannish color off. So we're replacing it with a wisdom gray that we got from Home Depot, which is the basic color of our house. It's pretty much through all the rooms, and we are finally getting to the kitchen. So basically what we are doing here in the most unorganized way is just getting this wall to its basic coat. And we were able to do this with one coat. I don't believe that we had to go back and redo it. So that's a really great idea to think about, because with it only being the lines, I think if the color is saturated enough, you guys do not have to do a second coat. So from here, we're just getting the side walls, the walls that are around it, with you guys viewing us, pulling back the curtains and different things like that to the best of our abilities, just to make sure that we get as much as is done in the meantime. Now, if you guys are just doing one wall, you can go ahead and skip this part. That's absolutely fine. But if you guys are doing the whole room with one geometrical wall, it would look something like this. At this point, guys, we are at the next day. We went ahead and let that wisdom gray paint dry, and at this point we are going ahead and lining up and scaling out our geometrical shapes, which we would desire for it to be as triangular as possible. So we're just taking our time and just communicating with each other back and forth to figure that out. If you guys are doing this by yourself, I don't know how well it will be or easy it will be to put the tape in one space and drop it to take to the other place, but I know that at one point Ricardo will have it high and I will come and help him fix it, but he's doing pretty well by himself even now too. So just with a partner seems like it would be nice and great as well. Another thing that I would like to mention is that we were trying our best to avoid it meeting up at certain places. Like we didn't want a certain line keep coming from that one point or one meetup spot, but I really loved the way that it looked with it all coming out, kind of like a spider, where it's just like that middle spot and all the legs come from there. I hope I explained that well, but I really did like the way that looked. Also, Ricardo really wanted to have some nice big sizes and just a few little spots. So in a moment you will see that he intentionally created a very tiny triangle, so you guys really could just have fun with it. It's really up to you at this point. And I'm also holding baby Winter, who's not feeling very well, so I will just be in and out, sitting and watching and dictating from afar. And as you guys see, there's Ricardo's baby triangle. So you really can do this any way that you desire. The choice is up to you. There's endless possibilities, as I always say. It would even be cute to add like a little heart or something at this point if you had a stencil. It's really up to you. Now, also what we're doing right now is we are taking the blue painter's tape and we are marking off where we want our dark blue paint to be. And we also had some tan painter's tape that we are using to mark off our light blue. Now you guys could go ahead and use that method where you use light two different tapes or whatever the case may be. For the white spots, we just put no tape at all. And Ricardo's using a brush for that because we had very little white spots and very little white paint as well. We went ahead for this project, guys. It cost us way less than 50 bucks to do because we used the Oops paint from Home Depot. We will have a link below with any of our Home Depot things that we use, but I found that using the Oops paint, which is basically paints that was mixed for other people, but they didn't favor it, which was returned, and the prices are so much lower. Like the white paint costed us 50 cents like each little bottle, guys, and we only used one bottle. So for the white on this wall, that only cost us 50 cents. For the light blue, that was about $2, and for the dark blue, because we had that custom made, it cost us about 28. Add that up because we already had the light gray, that's the base. It really was like let's say 35 bucks. So this was a really affordable project. We really do encourage you guys to go ahead and try it. Let Oops be your happiness, you know. Oops. So you guys, we're just going to keep going ahead and filling in those light blues. We're going to do a coat or two depending on what the colors need. We ended up doing quite a few coats with the paint that we had. We used Behr brand and whatever other brand they had. I think it was Behr and maybe just Behr. Maybe, yeah, just Behr. So we'll be back. We'll let you guys just watch us. We're going to be grabbing the dark blue paint soon as well. So just enjoy. So we are finishing up coat number 1 for our dark blue, and we thought that it would be enough to go ahead and cover that fully, but we are going to have to do a second coat and possibly a third. As you guys can see, is not fully covering. So this is after the second coat, and we're just going to go ahead and touch it up and hope that it is enough to fill in and fulfill our desires with this color.
Isabel, you like it? You think it's pretty? What shape is that?
Shape.
What shape is that?
Shape.
But it's pretty. You like it?
Uh-huh. Ooh. You're so pretty. I believe it. Sure. What? Blinklet.
Is it blinklet?
What's this?
Thank you guys so much for following and watching our channel here on TullyVision, your favorite family to watch on YouTube. If you guys end up doing this, please share it with our new Facebook group, TullyVision, where we would love to see your crafts, your ideas, your talks about God, your vlogs, anything that you guys want to share that's related to our channel. Come over and share. This is the finished product. We went ahead and took the tape off. Now, Ricardo and I were debating if we should have took the tape off while it was wet or not. But this is how it looks after we took it off while it's dry, and we absolutely love it. So take a look.
Alright, you guys, we are finally done with this wall, and it looks amazing. It's not 100% perfect. There are some imperfections if you look at, let's see, like right here. There are some imperfections, but once you zoom out to about, what, 2 feet, a foot or so, you can't even tell. But for our first time, this is amazing. We do have to go back and do some cleanup. Like the border, we didn't tape up, so if you're gonna do it, tape up your borders so you don't have to go back and do it. So we're gonna redo it. We're planning on doing the borders again anyways. That's why we didn't tape that up. But look at this. This is amazing, especially for our first time trying this out. I like it, and my wife loves it. So if you like this video, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more home improvement videos. All right, thank you.